Good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is your host Ade Sigera, Ade Sigera Vlog. Yeah, magandang Saturday morning po sa inyong lahat guys. It's March 15, 2025 na po guys. At magandang araw po sa lahat mula Apari hanggang Hulo. Hello Philippines and hello world. Yan, magandang araw po, magandang Saturday. Yan, just want to greet to all my subscribers and friends. Thank you for your support always. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bulacan and it's napakalamig po early in the morning. Itong aking vlog. Yan, ito yung river. Yan, tayo dito mga halaman. Medyo maganda po ang panahon ngayon. It seems na maaraw na naman mamaya. Matindi na naman po ang sikat ng araw. Yan. Thank you so much sa ating 10,000 plus subscribers. I hope you are doing well. Magandang araw, magandang buhay po. Yan. Shoutout ko lang yung mga taga Team Nanahani YTC. Yan. Team Nanahani YTC. Sa lahat po natin mga friends dyan at sa Team Travelers, thank you so much for your support. Yan. Okay guys, see you again sa ating next short vlog. Hindi na tayo nakakapag-vlog ng medyo mahaba-haba ng konti, no? So at least dito mabati ko to kayong lahat. Yan, sa ating mga subscribers and friends. Thank you so much sa lahat ng inyong support. Don't forget sa mga bagong viewers, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Have a happy weekend and God bless everyone.